upbeat music playing. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing the best of the best. Today, we're diving into the high-flying world of drones. It's a battle between the Holy Stone GPS drone HS-175D and the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about price. The Holy Stone GPS drone HS-175D comes in at $229, which is a bit on the higher end. Meanwhile, the TiziToy brushless motor drone is priced at just $99. Reviewers appreciate the TiziToy for its budget-friendly price, making it a great entry-level option for beginners. On the other hand, the Holy Stone is seen as a more premium investment for those looking for additional features and stability. Next, let's see what kind of eye these drones have got. The Holy Stone HS-175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers praise its picture quality and stability, making it great for recreational use. The TiziToy also packs a 4K camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide angle. It's praised for its ruggedness and ability to handle windy conditions. Both are great, but the Holy Stone is like a DSLR, fancy and sophisticated, while the TiziToy is more like a GoPro, rugged and ready for action. Now, let's talk about getting these bad boys airborne. The Holy Stone HS-175D has GPS auto return, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjust. It can trace and follow you, fly along a path you set, and even take selfies when you pose. Reviewers love its stability and ease of use, especially for beginners. The TiziToy comes with high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, low battery warning, and emergency stop. It's like a Swiss Army knife of drones, with reviewers noting its ease of control and fun features. Battery life, the Achilles heel of every drone. The Holy Stone HS-175D comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, which allows for more fun and less downtime. The TiziToy also comes with 2 batteries, but offers up to 40 minutes of flight time. While it's slightly less, reviewers still find it impressive for a budget drone. Finally, let's talk design and portability. The Holy Stone HS-175D has a foldable fuselage and comes with a carrying case. It weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. Reviewers love its sleek and organized design. The TiziToy also comes with a carrying case, extra spare fan blades, and has a beefed-up exterior. It's praised for its toughness and resilience, making it ready for any adventure. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Holy Stone HS-175D is praised for its stability, picture quality, and advanced features, making it a great choice for those willing to invest a bit more. The TiziToy brushless motor drone is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone GPS drone HS-175D versus the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Whether you're looking for a high-end flying camera or a budget-friendly trickster, there's a drone for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.